All right, because I always forget how to remove these seats. It's really simple, but I always forget because I don't do it that often. It's been a good number of years. Under each side right here, there is a little pull tab. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you just grab a hold of that, pull it out. Helps to push down on the seat, pull it out, that releases that, and then the seat just slides right out. Super simple, but can be quite tricky if you don't know how to get them out. So there's the tabs. It just locks the front of the seat in, and then there's a little hook that goes up back here that locks it in. And then for the backrest, two 10mm bolts. And it is the same on the driver's side. Push down the seat and it comes right out. So